All right, guys, today we're going to make that compound butter. This one is great for seafood. It's going to have a few ingredients. We've got 1 shallot, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of parsley leaves, 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 8 ounces of unsalted butter, softened. It's at room temperature. We've got 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we've got the zest and juice of half a lemon. What we're going to use to put it all together is our food processor. Pretty simple. What you're going to want to do is as you add these in, you're going to want to just pulse it a little bit to break it down. Here we go. This is our shallot. Now we're going to add the 4 cloves of garlic. Give it a pulse. Here come the parsley leaves. For this one, I'm going to make it a little bit easier for myself, and I'm just going to take the top off. Let's give that a spin. One of the nice things about this food processor, it has blades to help push the stuff down the sides. Okay. Now we're going to add in our 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves. Here comes our salt. Now we're going to add our butter. Same thing. We'll go ahead and pull that off. Put it back together. Give that a pulse. We're going to go ahead and turn that on and add our olive oil while it's turning. All right, so now we have what's going to look like a pesto. Let's move this out of the way. Pull the bowl up. And we've got some freezer paper. Pull the blades up. It's got a nice bright green color. You can smell the herbs. You can smell the garlic. It smells really fantastic at this point. Just going to shape it a little bit. And now we're going to roll it bring that back a little bit. And we'll roll it into the shape of a log. Now we'll take our freezer paper tape. Put a piece here. Grab the ends, kind of push it in a little bit. Wrap it like you would an old-time candy. And now we're going to take that and put it in the freezer. All right, so it's been about 2 hours. Let's see what we have here. Oh, wow, look at that. Set up real nice. Oh man, that's going to be perfect for our next dish. Thanks for watching.